Hey guys, it's me Tiana, and today I'm doing another bird vlog. The baby birds have gotten their feathers, and I'm glad now they can open their eyes and they can chirp, and it's so cute. The mama bird's here and she's chirping in the background. Don't know if you can see her. She's that little speck right there somewhere. Whatever. Zoom. Whoever's watching this, please comment, because I love to read people's comments, and I will do a truth or dare video. It's just that nobody comments any dares, any truth. I don't care. There's Kitty. She likes to sit on the chair, and she's been sitting there for like 7 hours, I think. Jules, let go of the chair. Let go of the chair. Oh, Kitty, I'm filming right now. Let go. Okay, that's better. Jules, if you kill me, I'm getting rid of you. There they are. This one's open in its mouth. This one is very public. Try and see if you can look in the nest. I know it's very dark in there. From eggs to little babies, now to full grown. All of them have hatched on June 3rd, but it took them 3 days for all of them to hatch. They're cuties. Look at that cutie. Okay, whatever, that's it. Well, goodbye, everyone. And I will do another video. It's how to make Cheez-Its and also how to make tamales. Goodbye.